Get started with MetaCam Air, SkylandX's 3D laser scanner. In just 1 minute, from setup to scanning to export. Open the equipment box and start setting up the equipment. Align the scanner module with the handle and insert it gently. A click indicates successful setup. If using control points, install the base plate on the bottom of the scanner and secure it with screws beforehand. Short press followed by a long press to power on. The system will become ready within a few seconds. Open the MetaCam Go app and connect to the scanner's Wi-Fi. Within the app, device icons will change from grayscale to colored. After connection, tap the button to create a new project. Place the scanner on a flat surface, facing a distinctive static object. Avoid reflections and movement. Move at 1 meter per second with a steady hand. Your phone can magnetically attach to the scanner for convenient viewing. Keep at least 50 centimeters from walls, and avoid reflective or transparent surfaces. Tap the button to end scanning in the app and wait for data to save. Then short press followed by a long press to power off. Remove the TF card, connect it via card reader. Insert the dongle and launch MetaCam Studio. Import your data and perform tasks like format conversion, point cloud registration, and noise cleaning.